to shoot them. Yeah, I'm having a record with you. I hope I hear it.